Hi, this is Hussein, and this is day 15 of my daily English speaking challenge. So, if you are watching my video today, I challenge you to make a short video every day speaking in English about anything in your life and post it to social media with the hashtag Speak English with Tommy because I am doing I am using shadowing technique with Tommy's videos. So today I will share with you 7 lessons I learned from nature. Let the sun teach you that no matter how long you've been hidden, you will always rise again. Let the ocean teach you that you can be gentle and strong. Let the trees teach you that growth requires patience. And let the clouds teach you when things get too heavy, it's time to release. And let the flowers teach you that beautiful things don't bloom all years long. And let the stars teach you darkness is needed to see the light. Let the wind teach you that you can change direction, that you can speed whenever you want. So that's it for today's video, and I can't wait to see your video. I'll see you tomorrow.